today. I just wanted to go ahead and make a video and show you a few ideas of what you guys can do with these cuttings. I haven't officially 100% decided what I'm going to do with them, but I just wanted you guys to show you a few ideas. If you're looking to have a farm style wedding, these are really perfect and you're on a tight budget. So for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and pretend that this is dirt, because this is just demos showing you guys what you guys can do to make these. You get 3 for $1 and they come with the a thank you tag and something to tie it with. So you can just easily go ahead and grab one of these. So if you want to use dirt or stagnant moss, you can do that. So really easy. Look at how cute this is going to look right here. You don't only have to use these for wedding favors. You can use it as decorative pieces around your home if you like, where you know that the succulent is going to do well. So you can easily do that. That is so cute. I'm going to show you how different succulents look in there. Which one did I like? I like this one in here. This one actually does. Let me use this one will hold up herself. How cute does that look in there? And if you put some Spanish moss in there or stagnant moss in there, that would look so cute. With the little thank you. So you can make a lot of these. So, but you guys, so this is like 15 cuttings. You can make quite a few wedding favors with this box, and with the tins from the Dollar Tree, that will save you a lot of money. How cute does that look? That looks really cute. And if you want to do more than just one, you could just go ahead and maybe this one with maybe these two like that, and with some stagnant moss on it. So cute. So that's one idea for wedding favors. Another idea, if you wanted to go with a more sleek, elegant look, I got 6 of these for $14.99 on Amazon, and I got free shipping for Amazon Prime. So you can also easily put one of these in there. Let me use one that's a little bit smaller. Put that one there. That is too cute just by itself, with some dirt, or again, stagnant moss you can also put in there with a little bit of dirt. That will be beautiful. And let me show you what 3 of them look like in there. I think I can fit 3 in there. Where's maybe these 3? There you go. How cute is that? So cute. So elegant. Very nice. That's another cute wedding favor. Another idea, if you're maybe getting married at the beach or want to have a beach themed wedding, you can get a really cute show like this. Again, you could use stagnant moss or Spanish moss, put it in there, and pop one of these in there. And you can put it in there with some Spanish moss, and it should stay there tightly. That's it for the wedding favors. Another thing you can do is, if you want to just do some Mother's Day gift, so Dollar Tree has some really cute tins that you can get. They have many different patterns. These are the patterns I chose. You can easily take a nail and lay this flat and hammer it, and then you can make some drainage holes. Like I said before, we're gonna go ahead and pretend that the paper is dirt. You put your dirt in there. And let's put one together and see what we can come up with. I like some of the tall ones. see some of the colors that we're putting together. These will make really, really beautiful Mother's Day gifts. I would love, 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 love this. And it's a, you know, something that will last. It's just not like just plain flowers. Flowers really die quickly. Flowers are nice too, but I think that succulents are better. You want it to look full. You want it to look packed. And succulents do well together like this. They don't mind being compact like that. How cute are these colors? I should have added a little bit more of the fake dirt. But there you go, guys. That looks so cute. I really like those colors together. Such a cute, and then you can get also a Dollar Tree balloon. They have little tiny Dollar Tree heart balloons with that say "Love you, Mom." You can stick that in there and it looks so cute. You put so much thought into it, so I think any mom would appreciate that. Now for the next one is, so I took this Dollar Tree tin. It already came with the jute wrapped around like this, and all I did was just to take some paint and just put it on there really quickly. It didn't have to look perfect or anything because I want it to look very farmhouse style, to put at a centerpiece on my dining table. So you guys can do that, or if you want to make a bigger gift for mom, you can use this one. See, here's a size difference. That's a big difference, and you can go ahead and make a really big arrangement for your mom. So let's see what I come up with. You don't want your plants to get lost in there, so still need more paper. So we're going to go ahead and take the fake dirt and fill this up. And let's start putting it in and seeing what looks good, what will work, and what doesn't work. Let's see. It's just, these plants, they're so pretty and they complement each other so well that you really can't go wrong in the different places that you place them. They're just gonna look really nice together. Okay guys, look at how beautiful these colors look together. This is my farmhouse style arrangement for a centerpiece of a table. Any kind of table will work. How beautiful does that look? So pretty. I really, really like this one. Anything like this really indoors is really just temporary. If you want the plants not to stretch or to maybe lose a little bit of their color, then this has to be temporary. unless you're gonna put it somewhere where it is gonna get enough sun to keep its color and its structure. Because if they don't get enough sun, they'll change in color and they'll also stretch. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these ideas, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Mountain Crest Gardens, for sending me these beautiful plants. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have a blessed day.